In order to set up an alarm clock on a Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to go to the clock app. So let's open it. There we go. Over here, of course, make sure that you have alarms selected. You will most likely find one alarm that is already created for you. Of course, you can use it if you want to. You can just simply tap on the switcher to turn it on or turn it off. You can also tap on the alarm in order to customize it if you want to make some adjustments. If you want to create your own one, you can use this plus that we have right next to these three dots. And then here we can set it up pretty easily. We can choose when the alarm should go off. You can choose if it should be repeatable or not. You can also tap on this calendar icon in order to choose the alarm to go off on a very specific day. Here we can also set up the label or name for the alarm. We can adjust the sound, vibration, snooze options. We can also group alarms, and we can change the alarm background as well. Once you set everything up, just press on save, and there we go. That is pretty much it. Once you turn on the alarm, you can see the information when it will go off, how much time is left before it does go off indeed. And that is pretty much it. If you want to delete an alarm, then of course you can press and hold your finger on that alarm clock. And then over here we can of course select multiple alarms if you want to, and we can choose to delete over here at the bottom of this screen. Leave a like and subscribe.